every time you make a choice, it places a mark on your soul, and it makes you what you are. So this is a class about ethics. What is that?
The study of human character, what one ought to do.
What do we mean by character?
The recurrent habits of action that you follow through in your life.
Does it mean habits?
It's the steady state of, it's formed through habits. So you have the steady state through which you'll act in a particular way because of the kind of character you have.
I argue that ethics is the study of how best to live. Why is ethics important?
Because we're trying to figure out how to be good.
Good. Good's important. Give me another definition of that word, Juan.
Of ethics?
Yeah.
I would say development of your character.
Character. The Greek word charesein.
Is it like a mark?
Yeah, mark, etch, engrave, tattoo. You know, not paint on the surface, dig in. Character is dug in, something deep in us. It's what Stephen said down there. He said, learning how to be good. And that is the whole question. We almost never ask that question today. We introduce the young to learning. The word education means lead forth. We leave off forth. And that means we introduce the young to education with an invitation for them to become whatever they want to be. But you know, they could become ostriches maybe, but they wouldn't be very good at that. It's the reason ethics is a big subject. It is the first subject. And this is the first book ever written about it. And I will tell you, back in the Paleolithic era, when I was in graduate school, in the first class I had with a great man, he called this one of the greatest books ever written. So somebody read the first sentence. What does it say?
Every art and every inquiry, and likewise every action and choice, seems to aim at some good, and hence it has been beautifully said that the good is that at which all things aim.
Now, look at the nouns in that sentence. They're all fundamental words. What does art mean?
Something
Technical
you make.
knowledge. Yeah, a craft, something you make.
So you said the word technical, and the Greek word is techne. That's making. It means, it doesn't mean like in the background is Raphael's School of Athens, right? That's fine art. That's high art. But it has in common with whoever made that glass right there that it was produced. It was made, it was designed and executed according to skill and with a purpose in mind. And the first claim is that every time we do that, we aim at some good. That word good, we're going to have to figure out what that means. What's an inquiry?
Just a question.
It's something more than a question, isn't it? The word is methodos in Greek, and a method. In other words, undertake it, right? It's just, you know, heck, I wonder what's going to happen tomorrow. And then you go on about your life. That's not an inquiry, right? We're going to find out what ethics is. This is an inquiry. And also remember, we're going to encounter in book 1, Aristotle saying, the reason this book is to be read is to become good. This is an urgent inquiry. And this inquiry, like every other, he says, aims at some good. Action, what's that word? Praxis. You know what that means?
Yeah, it's like doing or...
Yeah, we get practice, practical from it, practice. Every time we act, and then the last is choice. If you had to pick one of these words, that word is crucial because choice is at the center of the building of character. In this word, choice, is found the basis of human freedom. Because it's not just that you're free to choose, it's also that your choices matter very much. And the claim is, every time you make a choice, it places a mark on your soul. And it makes you what you are. And nobody makes them all perfect. Anybody who's determined to make them well every day, and having failed some that day, start again in the morning, those people become good. And we'll find out not only good, also happy. I'm Larry Arnn, president of Hillsdale College. You will find if you look at our online courses that they cover the whole range of human learning, all the high and fundamental things everyone needs to know. They are free because we have always wished to provide sound learning to anyone who wishes to have it.